And last and certainly not least, when deciding what goes into the integration, this work life integration, is what's important to you. What's value? What's valuable to you? When we talk about values, what's valuable to you? What are the most valuable things? If your kids, your spouse, your loved ones, you say, are the most important things in your life, then we need to prioritize that first. Shout out to my aunts and uncles. I have a cousin who's a phenomenal athlete, like projected like near the top of his graduating class. But during the summertime, it's priority for him because it's tournaments, it's traveling to this state, traveling to that state, making sure that he is where he needs to be and that he's fully supported. Now, could they send him by himself with his teammates or with his coaches? Yeah, they probably could do that, but for them, being there, being present to physically support him, being physically present at his games is a priority to them. And so when it comes to work during that time, work is over here. I will lock in when I get back, but right now at this time, it's all about my child and what my child needs because when he turns 18, he's got to make his own decision. He's got to live his own life. And he's going to be able to lean back and say that, my parents were here for me. My parents supported me. My parents put me in the best position that they could to make sure I was successful. That was valuable to them. That's important to them. So shout out to them for that. And so I want to challenge to you, what are the most important things in your life? Because if they are the most important things, then they should take priority when it comes to work. They should take priority. Even when you are a high performer, even when you are as productive as you can be, if you're in the middle of preparing for a meeting and then you get a call that one of your family members, let me say this, one of your favorite family members is in the hospital, it moves to the top of the priority list. It moves to the top of the values list. Now, at the same time, it's not all about people. It's not all about your family. It's about you as well.